Good morning, students. I have just put up some materials on verb forms for my dear students at different schools at Rulisapur and at Sitamarhi and in various schools. So it is particularly aimed for class 10 students who are appearing in this year, current year. They should refer my videos on verb forms, and later on more videos will be coming up. So today this present simple structure is there to tell you a few things. It shows proverbs and quotations. These are, we put these in simple present. If we have to show some proverbs or quotations, that time we put it in present simple form, like time and tide waits for none, fortune favors the brave. Like now the second case is telling it is like following types of verbs are always used in present simple, like verbs of perception: see, know, hear, listen; verbs of feeling, emotion, love, hate, feel, etc. Verbs of possession and verbs of understanding. Verbs of understanding, like know, get, understand. These verbs will always come in, or will always be used in present simple form. Then comes the other case of present continuous. Like present continuous is used to show actions which are going on at the time of speaking. So sometimes these examiners can put you some questions on that also, like under which case this present continuous is used. Then you must be wary of those things. Like the boys are playing cricket. Sometime at the time of speaking, the action is going on. So we will be choosing auxiliary plus D4, present continuous form. Then the second case of present continuous is telling, like present continuous is also used when the action is not taking place at the time of speaking. Like I am reading the Ramayana these days. These days here is the adverbial qualification. It is showing the state of this status of action, that is in present tense. Then the third case of present continuous, like sometimes we plan earlier about our future actions. So in that case also we use present continuous. Like present continuous is used when we have planned earlier of any event. Like I am going cinema tonight, or else my uncle is coming tomorrow. My uncle is coming tomorrow. Like that you need to understand, write it down properly from top to and top to bottom, and thereafter I will be putting on present perfect and thereafter past tenses verb forms. Then accordingly you will come to know about the real things, and in examination time you won't be nervous. Okay, hope for the best. Kindly do it all and put more watching hours for all my class 10 students at Helens, at Central, at Tiny Tots, at Rulisapur, Gyan Bharti and all. So I must wish you all grand success in your coming exam. Okay, fine.